upon the hollow road will start to cry. And you are hoping you can run from the past that haunts you in your stead. Brace those heels, keep them running, watch it where you're dead. Brace for the freight train, for the freight train. Brace for the freight train, chugging till you die. Brace for the freight train, for the freight train. Brace for the freight train, chugging till you die. No safety from the freight trains of madness and decay. It closes in fast and now the only hope to let darkness come to play. To love is crimson, I am horse for Valhalla's claustrophobic tomb. So pay the toll now before it drives you too close to pending doom. Out of here, don't turn, no turning back from here. For it's not so easy to forget your own barrel starting there. So there's no more changing, we're running out of time, you can't escape it. For it's you who change the tracks, now fighting back, keep faith from coming near. So keep turning, but look in motion, physics to the hole in your heart. Be prepared to put into victory. For every corner in this will haunt your way. It's encased in your neck, bravery's for the freight train. As the fire burning thunder brings the sound to your way. Drop the spine and diminishing your range. Like a dynamite explosion gone insane. Hurry up, start the fire, pain a little time to explain. Brace for the freight train, chugging till you die. Brace for the freight train, for the freight train. Brace for the freight train, chugging till you die. Brace for the freight train, for the freight train. Brace for the freight train, chugging till you die. This is to kill the freight train, you need power at your side. You're gonna need a pillar up with cold steel and a turret full